In this video, I want to introduce a YouTuber. It's called Why China, and actually, it's a kind of company built by a group of people who come from many different countries like the US, Japan, Australia, Spain, etc. But now they stay in China, and some of them are really good at Chinese, and they use their own perspectives, as foreigners in China to observe China's situation and to record some hot issues that happen in China nowadays. And this group of people, they want to let the world to view the real aspect of China and let people rid of some old concepts about China or about Chinese people. And also, Why China often do some interviews that letting Chinese people talk about some stereotypes about people who come from other countries, but they will find some of them are wrong after they get along with each other. And we people always have some stereotypes for some countries because we do not know the real aspects of them, and we are easy to be controlled by some Asian ideas that passed from the old generation. And actually, it's normal that we are often feel afraid and suspect about the unknown and uncertainty. So many Chinese people who never go abroad and stay there for a while. So I really appreciate this group of young people. They present a channel for people from different countries in the world to know each other better.